Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? Today we are going to learn Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we are going to learn more about rectangles, the perimeter, finding the unknown side. Okay, question number 1. Find the length of the unknown side of each of the following rectangles. So we know this is rectangle, both the sides like length and breadth. Both the sides will be length and breadth. And opposite sides are equal. If this is 7, this one also will be the opposite side. The opposite side also will be 7, and then this one we don't know. Okay, as the opposite side we don't know. Okay, now it's okay. Now see, perimeter means what we learn. What we learn about perimeter. Perimeter means adding the surrounding length of any shape. For example, if it's a rectangle, add all the sides which surrounds the rectangle. For example, I will start from this point. So perimeter will be equal to 7 plus, and then from here to here we don't know that side. Let me say it's B, and then again 7, and then B, isn't it? Now 4 sides. Now from 7 and then come back to this point. Now I have covered the surrounding. Now as perimeter, they have given the perimeter is 30. So 30 is equal to 7 plus 7 plus B plus B. Okay, I just brought the 7's closer and B is closer. In math we say bring the like terms closer, okay, together. Now then I will just twist. I will bring the 30 to my left side. That means 7 B equal to 30. Now the 7 plus 7 is 14, right? And then I will just keep the piece as it is. Simple B is equal to 30. Now see, I want to get rid of that 14. So that means I will subtract 14 from both the sides. So that means 14 minus 14 plus B equal 30 minus 14, right? This is actually what we do when we get rid of a number from one side. We have to subtract from the other side, then only this equation balances. For example, if I subtract 14 from this side, I have to subtract 14 from the other side. Why I am subtracting 14? Because I want to get rid this 14 out. I just want to get it out. So I just subtract, so it will be 0. So I will remain with B equal 30 minus 14, right? And then I know B plus B equal 30 minus 14 is 16, right? So now you know that actually 2B's is 16. So how much will be 1B? Therefore 1B will be equal to 16 divided by 2, right? 16 divided by 2, right? Which is equal to 8, right? So we found that the unknown side is 8 centimeters. Now let's move to B part. So perimeter. Okay, let me erase this one first. So perimeter equal, again we don't know that side, it's length, right? And then 6 plus, we don't know that side, so it's length and then plus 6, because opposite sides are equal. Now perimeter is given here, it is 32. So 32 equal, I'll bring L and L together, and then 6 and 6 together. Now see, 32, and then I will change the side. Just bring the 32 to my right side. So it will be L plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 32. Just changed the sides, okay? Now L plus 6 plus 6 is 12, right? I just added it, is equal to 32. And then I want to get rid of that 12. So that means I will subtract 12 from this side. If I'm subtracting 12 from that side, I must subtract 12 from the other side as well. Alright, therefore I'm going to subtract here. So if I subtract, then it will be 0 this side, right? So it will be equal to, I will remain with L plus L only. So it will be 32 minus 12 will be 20, right? And therefore, you know the 20 is for 2L. So how much will be 1L? So 1L will be equal to 20 divided by 2, right? And it will be equal to 10 centimeter. Now we found the unknown side of this triangle, which is the length, is equal to, length is 10 centimeter. Right, now let's go to C part. I'll start directly. P equal, we don't know breadth, so we'll say P plus, or maybe you can say length if you compare this one, but we always take the longest side as length. Okay, that's why 20 is the longest side as according to the drawing, so I will take 20 as length. And then breadth, length, again breadth we don't know, and then 20 will be the next length until we come to 1 point. And then perimeter is given as 50, which is equal to B plus 20, 20, 40. I'll do just shortcut, okay? And then B plus 40 is equal to 50 instead. And then B plus 40. I'm going to minus 40 from this side, therefore I'm going to minus 40 from the other side as well. So I will remain with B plus, that will be 0, so no need to write. So 50 minus 40 will be 10. Right, so 10 is for 2B, so 1B will be equal to 10 divided by 5, right, which is equal to 10 divided by 5, no, 10 divided by 2, because I'm going to divide this 10 to 2 B's. 1B will be equal to 5 centimeters. So we found that the unknown length is 5. I hope you understood how to do it. Okay, thank you.